Welcome to Auto Max, your go-to channel for in-depth automotive reviews, expert insights, and the latest updates from the world of trucks and heavy vehicles. Today, we take a closer look at the Scania R770, a powerhouse in the trucking industry known for its unmatched performance, cutting-edge technology, and superior comfort. This truck is designed for long-haul transport, offering an excellent balance of power and efficiency, making it a top choice for professionals who demand the best on the road. The Scania R770 is powered by a robust 16.4-liter V8 engine that delivers an impressive 770 horsepower and 3,700 Newton-meters of torque. This immense power allows it to handle heavy loads effortlessly while maintaining efficiency. The advanced fuel injection system and turbocharging technology enhance performance while keeping fuel consumption optimized, ensuring cost-effectiveness for fleet owners and individual truckers alike. The truck's 12-speed OptiCruise transmission ensures smooth gear shifts and minimizes fuel wastage, providing a seamless driving experience even in challenging conditions. One of the standout features of the R770 is its aerodynamic design, which significantly reduces drag and improves fuel efficiency. The sleek exterior is not just about aesthetics but also about functionality, ensuring better airflow and stability at high speeds. The robust chassis and reinforced frame provide durability and longevity, making this truck a reliable companion for long-haul operations. The truck's suspension system is designed for maximum comfort, absorbing shocks and vibrations effectively, even on rough terrains. Step inside the cabin, and you will experience a new level of comfort and convenience. The driver-centric cockpit is equipped with an advanced digital instrument cluster, providing real-time data on fuel consumption, engine performance, and navigation. The premium leather seats are ergonomically designed, offering excellent lumbar support for long hours on the road. The cabin is spacious, with ample storage compartments, ensuring a clutter-free and organized workspace. The multifunctional steering wheel allows easy access to various controls, minimizing distractions while driving. Technology plays a crucial role in the Scania R770, with features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking enhancing safety and ease of driving. The intelligent GPS system ensures precise navigation, while the connectivity options allow drivers to stay connected with their fleet managers and loved ones. The truck also comes with a state-of-the-art infotainment system, providing entertainment and essential vehicle diagnostics at your fingertips. Fuel efficiency is a major highlight of this truck, thanks to Scania's advanced engine management system. The R770 is designed to reduce carbon emissions while delivering high performance, making it an environmentally friendly option in the heavy-duty trucking segment. The vehicle's lightweight components and efficient aerodynamics contribute to better mileage, ultimately reducing operational costs. Maintenance is another area where the Scania R770 excels. With a user-friendly diagnostic system, it alerts drivers and fleet operators about potential issues before they become major problems. The high-quality materials used in the construction of the truck ensure minimal wear and tear, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. Scania's extensive service network ensures that assistance is always within reach, making ownership hassle-free. Safety is a top priority in the Scania R770, with features such as electronic stability control, hill-hold assist, and an advanced braking system ensuring maximum protection for the driver and cargo. The reinforced cabin structure enhances crash protection, while the integrated safety sensors continuously monitor the vehicle's surroundings to prevent collisions. The night vision system and LED headlights provide excellent visibility, making nighttime driving safer and more convenient. The Scania R770 is not just a truck, it is a statement of power, efficiency, and luxury in the commercial vehicle industry. Whether you are a fleet operator looking for a reliable addition to your lineup or an independent trucker seeking unmatched performance, this vehicle is built to exceed expectations. Its combination of strength, technology, and comfort makes it a top contender in the market. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more in-depth truck analyses, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Max. Stay updated with the latest reviews, expert opinions, and insights into the world of trucks and heavy vehicles. See you in the next video.